Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, as we mentioned, it was a cool day today. Unfortunately, we didn't see a lot of breaks in the cloud cover. Didn't think that would be the case for us here. We've just got a lot of ground moisture. We don't have a lot of wind movement either. Very light winds across the Southern Valley today. And just like on Monday, you get the cold air to the surface there, kind of gets trapped, and there's no wind to move it out of the way. So get stuck in the fog, which is pretty typical for this time of year. All right, let's check out the numbers again from today. 52, that is just a shade below where we should be this time of year, around 53 degrees. Also looking at overnight lows, quite mild, around 47, that is, and no rain for today. So let's take a peek at what we've got so far. Yeah, pretty quiet out there in the storm tracker. We've got a weak front trying to develop to the north and west of us, slowly inching closer towards the Washington coastline. Well, we'll keep an eye on that because as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, we'll see some of that energy or a little disturbance from that just kind of break off and head south through the state. Now, our weather computer models have been pretty consistent the last couple of days of trying to squeeze out some showers as it moves southward. So I'm going to put them in the forecast, but they will probably be very light. And I still think we've got better chances to see actual accumulation, not only just some rain, but I think snow, as we've got some cold air in place up across the Cascades, maybe about an inch or two. Otherwise, our Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep is all quiet so far, picking up on the mountains there. That's all that sort of spotty little green shading that you're seeing. That's the radar bouncing off of the foothills of the mountains and then heading back to the radar, what we call ground clutter, basically. 37 degrees in Sun River, 39. Not bad, but still pretty chilly for this time of year. 48 in Cottage Grove, 50 in Corvallis and Eugene. Warmer out in Florence today, where they were under partly sunny conditions. You saw temperatures there generally in the mid-50s. Not bad overall. All right, across the state, here's what we saw for the day today. A little less cloud cover in the afternoon of Portland, got things up into the mid-50s, low 60s with an offshore wind at the Dalles, 58 in Roseburg, and then here in the valley, socked into the clouds. We were stuck in the low 50s for most of the day. So we've got a little bubble of high pressure. It's not very strong, though, and in fact, all we're seeing is this little front, or what's left of one here, trying to elongate, kind of get stretched out. This will slowly head southward as we head overnight tonight and into tomorrow's forecast, and so that will keep, at least again, here, watch this on the Stormcast by tomorrow afternoon, a slight chance for a shower and then again some snow showers up in the mountains, but we'll see the bigger storms start to head south, moving across the region Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday. And in fact, that one is not only going to bring a reinforcing shot of cold air, but also bring some wind with it as well, and some accumulating snow at the passes, maybe about 3 to 6 inches. So we could be looking at blustery conditions too. So if you headed over the mountains this weekend into central Oregon or vice versa, certainly be prepared for some winter conditions. Partly sunny skies, isolated sprinkles at times along the coast to Umpqua. I don't think we'll see any rain from that. We'll just keep partly sunny conditions and highs in the low to mid 50s. Now, freezing levels at 3,500 feet, so that will be snow showers as you get into the Cascades. And then that won't make it over the mountains, though. We'll be in the mid 40s as you head into central Oregon. And kind of a foggy day again, and possibly looking at an isolated shower trying to squeeze out. We'll see more showers, though, as we head in towards Friday and Saturday along the coast. Same thing as you get into the Umpqua as well. Temperatures back into the upper 40s for highs for the weekend. Cascades will see some accumulating snow and some very blustery conditions Friday night and into Saturday. And then finally in the valley, we'll see, oh boy, look at that, 48 degrees. So it is going to be a chilly day if you're headed to Autzen taking on the Utes. I think, I don't know, what time is game time?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Thank you, Matt. So I wasn't sure what it was, but I figured you would know.
That's about the only answer I have to a question.
There we go. Okay. All right. I'll take it for now.
Here's why.